What is my pikin? Who are you? Don't enter here. You are welcome, my son. You can sit down.
Baba, I get serious big problem. I make me come here.
It's okay. What you enter here? I know what you carry you come. I mean that they call no borrow one of Benin Kingdom. You have married now over 5 years ago. You don't get issue.
Nothing.
If you to open do with your wife, you're this not the distance again. Now your wife does the church say you want to come on leave you.
Who I said now?
You don't worry, my son. You are in the right place. I go give you something. If you dey go house, if you don't reach like 3 minutes to your house, when you reach house, go prove the thing for man, chew am. Your Thomas go stand up. You go be like wetin band for ground. So if you not use and do, now wood they go take knock am down.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
My son, stand up. When you get home, as you dey waka dey go house, so before you reach your house, like 2 minutes before your house, put this leaf for mouth. You go chew am. You chew am finish. You go see say your baba go stand up before you reach house. As you reach house, then you call your wife enter house. You go put her inside, and as you put her, if you knock am go right, you knock am go left. You knock am go right, you knock am go left. Make you not knock am for center o. Yourself if you want make you born monkey.
No, Baba. I better.
Then you knock am go left, you knock am go right. Oya go.
Baba, thank you.
Go, it shall be well with you.
Oya now. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, mcabo.com. Please don't forget to share, comment, subscribe to MC Ebo YouTube channel. See, they rob me.
Follow our Facebook page at MC Ebo Comedy TV.
Yeah.
You stand there. Share it to your friends. Share it to any group where you dey. I beg, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Now see what your body do. They rob me.
Talk now.
See.
Subscribe, like, share. Subscribe. If you don't get money, go borrow, take subscribe.
You see? May go borrow me to subscribe.